Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna talk about the Binance Visa card and more importantly, why you urgently need to order one. But after watching this video, you'll know why, and I'm sure you will order this card immediately. So stay tuned. Welcome to the Crypto Mining Channel, your one-stop shop for all things crypto. If you like making money, make sure to press the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to check out the ultimate crypto guide, which I created for you to navigate through the wonderful world of cryptocurrency. Because I know you're a money maker, I even added a free crypto kit, which will make you hundreds of dollars worth of free cryptocurrency. So, first of all, the card is totally free. So with this card, you can spend your crypto at more than 60 million merchants worldwide. You can just transfer your crypto from your spot wallet to your card wallet, and then you're ready to go. You can spend it anytime, anywhere. So, the perks: zero fees. You can hold crypto and exchange it only when you need to. So you can hold your crypto in your Binance card wallet and exchange only when you're making payments. But now we are coming to the most interesting part. Up to 8% cashback on your purchases. So listen to this, guys. You will receive BNB every time you buy something, you purchase something. Of course, if it's an eligible purchase. 8%. So you can get free BNB. How crazy is this? Binance Coin is ranked 3rd by market cap. It's at $307. I know people who have been using this card for a while now, and they have accumulated so much BNB that they have made so much money. Current price $307. In 7 days, it went up 27%, even more than Bitcoin, more than Ethereum. It's at the top here. $307. And then, also pretty important, all your Binance card funds are protected by the highest security standards available at Binance. Sleep tight, we've got you covered. Well, of course, your funds are the safest on an offline hardware wallet, because there really no one is able to steal your coins unless you give your private keys to somebody. But if you don't give your keys of your house to somebody, then don't give your keys to your crypto account, don't give somebody access to your cryptocurrencies. Watch this video where I talk about the importance of crypto security, where I talk about the best way of storing your cryptocurrencies. It's also very, very important, guys. Trust me. So you can spend your cryptocurrencies everywhere where Visa is accepted. So you can also link your Binance card virtually with Google Play and Samsung Play. So zero fees really means zero fees. Zero subscription or maintenance fees, and transactions made in euros. Free of transaction charges. Third-party fees may apply. So 8% cashback is the highest rate available in the market today. 8%. So for every €100 you spend, you get 8 back in Binance Coin. Wow. Wow. So your card works exactly like your traditional debit card, but instead of paying with fiat, you'll be holding digital assets such as Bitcoin, BNB, etc. So you can spend your cryptocurrencies. So how to get 8%? Well, it depends of your BNB that you're holding. So if it's 0, you start at 1%. If you're holding 10, 2%, and it goes up if you're holding 6,000 crypto millionaire in the making, then you get 8% cashback. Incredible. So the more BNB you hold, the higher your cashback rewards will be, and Binance will continue to provide additional benefits and perks to this program, including special campaigns with more digital assets. The cashback is paid daily in BNB to your card wallet, and it only applies to eligible purchases made with your Binance card. The list of qualified merchants and conditions is subject to change by Binance. Of course, they also have the right to the final interpretation of whether the transaction is a subject of the reward, aka the Binance cashback. You can see the cashback rewards in the transaction history along with the original purchases. Cashback is calculated and transferred to your card wallet after the purchase is finally settled, normally after a few days after the purchase. So the following types of transactions are excluded for cashback: transactions on digital wallets, digital banking service, crypto exchanges, stored value products, and money remittance services are excluded from the BNB rewards program. There is a monthly limit for the Binance cashback, which has a maximum of 1,800 euros. But you'll need to buy a lot of stuff to reach 1,800 euros a month of cashback. So that starts the first day of the month until the last day of the month, and then every month this renews. So you have to have a KYC level of 2 or you won't be able to order the card. If you want to order the card, check this video and you will see exactly how you have to order one. So Binance Card is supported in the following countries and territories. So if you live in one of those countries, you can order your card immediately. So Aruba, Austria, Belgium, Bulgaria, Croatia, Curacao, the Republic of Cyprus, Czech Republic, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, French Guinea, French Guiana, Germany, Gibraltar, Greece, Guadeloupe, Hungary, Iceland, Ireland, Italy, Latvia, Liechtenstein, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malta, Martinique, Mayotte, Netherlands, Norway, Poland, Portugal, Reunion, Romania, Saint Martin, Slovakia, Slovenia, Spain, and Sweden. So when will you get your card? Upon a successful order, they will work hard to deliver your card to your address as fast as possible. Of course, everybody wants a card like this, so there might be a delay with the card delivery, of course. So guys, was I able to convince that you need this card? Because now you're paying for stuff and you get no cashback. But with this card, you get a crypto cashback. So everyone should order this card. So do you already have a card? If you have a Binance card, let me know how much you love the card. If you have another card, let me know what you think is the best card. Do you prefer the Binance Visa card? Maybe you prefer the Wirex card, or maybe another card. Let me know in the video description. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below, but don't forget to read the video description for interesting information and links. Make sure to drop me a like if you enjoyed this video, if it had value to you. And of course, subscribe to my channel for more money-making tips. I hope to welcome you all soon on the Crypto Mining channel. I wish you all a great day and talk to you soon, guys. Bye-bye.
Press the bell icon to never miss another update. Join the Bitcoin revolution.